Hello guys, so let's talk about logging. Okay, so look at the question that was given to us. We are told to find the value of x. So we are given log 8 and base x is equal to what? And 3. And our second question, we're also given log 64 with x is equal to what? Is equal to 2. How do you solve this type of logarithm? It is known that for logarithm equation, whenever you have logarithm equation of this form, first of all, let me say solution. Definitely good because we are solving it, isn't it? So whenever we are giving logarithm of this form, let me say log n base let me say a is equal to what? X. Okay. Whenever you are giving logarithm of this one, it's essentially the same thing I'm writing n a raised to power x. Okay. This is for our logarithm equation. So having understood this, we're going to use this particular row to answer the question, the two questions. So let's get started to our question number 1. So let me roll my line here. And definitely starting from question number 1. Okay. So this is of this form, ain't it? So that simply means that we're going to write our 8 in this place and put our x raised to power what? Raised to power 3. Okay, they're basically the same thing. Okay, this 8 is not in exponential form, while this is what is an exponential form, isn't it? So for us to look for s, we're going to look for we're going to look for a number that will multiply itself into 3 places, because this the other side is raised to power 3, isn't it? So we look for a number that will multiply itself into 3 places to give us 8. So the only number that can multiply itself to give us that can multiply itself in 3 places to give us 8 is what is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is what is 8. Okay, so this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 is equal to what? S raised to power 3. Okay, in this context our exponent is what is equal. So if our exponent is equal, that means what? Our base is also equal. So in this context we say that our x is equal to what? Is equal to 2. Why? Because the exponents are what? Are equal. Okay, so if the exponent is equal, the base is also what? Equal. So you can say 2 is equal to x, or you can say x is equal to what? 2. Either way, all of them are what? Are the same. So this is answer to question number 1. Okay, so let's dive into question number 2. In our question number 2, we are also giving logarithm of the same form. Okay, so this is also the same logarithm of the same form. So this can also be written as 64 is equal to what? S raised to power 2. Okay, of course this is not in exponential form, while this is what is in exponential form. Definitely go to look for a number whereby if you multiply into 2 places, it will give us 64. Because look at this particular one is square, isn't it? So look for, that's why we're going to look for a number that if you multiply into itself in 2 places, you're going to have 64. So the only number that can go is what? Is 8, because if 8 multiply itself into if 8 multiply itself in 2 places, you're going to have 64. So you say 8 square is equal to what? S square. Okay, definitely if the exponent is equal, that means what? The base is also what? Equal. So in this context, I can set to say that my answer is 8 is equal to what? X, or you can say our s is equal to what? 8. Either way, so our answer is definitely what? 8. You can express it in any form you want to express it. Okay, so basically this is all for this simple equation with logarithm. I hope you understand this particular concept, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel, James Maths Academy. Until see you next time, thank you.